Hey everyone, and check out this adjustable magnetic screen door designed to fit extra wide entryways perfectly. You can easily customize the width and height to match your specific door dimensions without any hassle. Strong magnets run down the center, seem to ensure hands-free entry and easy access for your pets. The heavy-duty polyester mesh lets in fresh air while keeping bugs completely outside. Special windproof hasps keep the screen securely in place, even during strong gusts of wind. Installation takes only a few minutes using the included tape and push pins for a reliable hold. Upgrade your home today and enjoy breezy comfort all season long. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.